just wanted to take a moment of your time to let you know that the hydration kit from Zio is here just in time and limited edition for the holidays. In this kit, we have a wonderful hydrating cream. This hydrating cream is the best SOS cream when your skin is feeling dry, irritated from post-procedure or skiing, or just what the elements throw at us this time of year. A little bit goes a long way, so this will last you. Not only do we have that in the kit, but we have this amazing skin brightener, 0.5 retinol, that not only helps to keep your skin smooth and hydrated, but has lots of brightening factors to help brighten up that pigmentation that we sometimes get from the summer. In addition to this kit, we have a lovely skin brightening mask. Now this mask is ultra soothing, gives you more hydration, a nice glow, maybe even before a special occasion it's nice to use when you've got a bit of time to relax. You can actually reuse this mask up to 3 times, best if you keep it in the fridge for that extra soothing factor. And not only do you get all of this for a wonderful price of $140, which this alone retails for that, but you also get a stylish water bottle to make sure that you're drinking your water along the way. Happy holidays.